I started in 1972, so it's a long way back, but we certainly have gone through a lot of changes in that time, but I've never regretted being a small business and choosing the field that we chose, which was HVAC.
So this is my 38th year being here at the company, and this award belongs to our team. It's our technicians, it's our staff, our office staff. It is our leadership group that comes to work every day, works hard every day, and goes out of their way to make our customers satisfied.
The large business and small businesses as well, they require someone to take ownership of the energy conservation for the use of their heating and air conditioning systems. If we do a better job, they'll have increased comfort.
Because we're able to design a system from scratch. Our customer comes to us with a problem, and we're able to engineer that solution for that problem.
What I really got out of the chamber was the guidance and the mentorship that I got from other small businesses, which helped me grow in my business. The Stoney Creek Chamber for Arvin has been a podium to voice our concerns along with other small businesses, so that we have a better chance of being heard with government. And as Joe said it earlier, I think we have an opportunity here that when you talk about excellence, you're talking about the excellence of our employees. And when we have small companies, we're only as good as our employees. And when we look at this award, we say this is also an opportunity to recognize all of our employees who have done the job for so many years.